Hi, I'm Jeffrey. Welcome to another episode of Learn with Signature. Today, let's talk about Signature's spray paint. When people ask about spray paint versus laminate, why we go for spray paint, why we don't use laminates? Both of them carry their own pros and cons, definitely. So laminates is always we go for day-to-day practicality, whereas spray paint will give us a more aesthetical look and a more atas feel for your finishing. Commonly in the industry, how we produce a spray paint door. Imagine this is a piece of panel, or we call it a door, alright? So, and we have a spray can. So when we do a manual spray, then we have a coating of spray. So when usually people ask how many layers, so this process will be repeated multiple times. That is called the common practice for spray paint. The pain point in producing a good quality of spray paint is the consistency of the production. A panel, sometimes you could be overspraying one side, the other side could be underspray. So it means one side looks very thick, the other part looks very thin. So eventually we have patches. This is one of the main factors that causes the inconsistency in the spray paint quality. In order to eliminate this inconsistency issue, over here in Signature, we have managed to eliminate human error by importing this machine from Italy, which is called the Zefla, to have a robotic production system. How our robotic spray paint works from this production line. Beginning, people just need to feed the panels into the machine, feeds through the feeder of the spray process, and it will go through a tunnel for curing. Okay, curing here is referring to how much time you need the paint to dry up and completely intact with the panels. So the whole process from 3 to 4 hours have been drastically reduced to 5 to 10 minutes per piece. After we finish the spray paint process through the machine spray, so we call it the high gloss curtain, and the done spray paint panel will go through a quick flow of this clear curtain, makes up the clear coating over the spray paint material, thus making up the high gloss panels. After the clear coating, it will still go through the same process of curing, going through the tunnel, so that the paint will be totally cured within 5 to 10 minutes max. With these robotic spray paint facilities, we were able to mass produce our spray paint as well as quality control and consistency. These are the color samples that we have in Signature. Okay, on the upper part here, you can see these are the colors which is very neutral, and you won't usually go wrong with this color range. And it is also evergreen. And at the bottom part here, you may see some pastel color. Eventually, these are the recent years that are very popular among the customers. So we have broad range of color choices for customer to choose. We have come to the end of the session. Hopefully you have enjoyed the video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And my name is Jeffrey, signing out. Thank you and bye-bye.